Freecash, KashKick and Swagbucks all let users earn rewards online, but they are built around different earning experiences, which means the best choice depends on how you prefer to complete tasks. By the end, you'll know how these three platforms compare, what each one is better for, and how to choose the option that fits your time and expectations. The first difference is the type of tasks you will find. Freecash is known for offering a variety of online earning opportunities, including tasks that can involve completing offers, trying services, or participating in activities available through the platform. The best way to use it is to review each offer carefully before starting, because every task has its own requirements. KashKick focuses on reward-based activities where users complete available tasks through the platform. If you use KashKick, check the task details before spending time on an offer, because completing the required steps correctly is what determines whether the reward can be credited. Swagbucks is one of the more established reward platforms and offers multiple ways for users to collect points through different activities. It works best for people who want a platform with several types of everyday online tasks instead of focusing on only one category. The second difference is task selection. Freecash can be a better fit if you prefer looking through different offers and choosing specific opportunities that match your interests. KashKick may appeal to users who prefer a simpler reward platform experience. Swagbucks can work well for people who want a broader mix of activities inside one account. The third difference is how you should compare them before committing your time. Do not only look at the rewards shown for a task. Check the requirements, the steps involved, and whether the activity matches the amount of effort you want to spend. A good strategy is to test each platform with small tasks first. Track which app gives you the clearest instructions, the smoothest experience, and rewards that match your expectations. To summarize, Freecash is focused on finding individual earning opportunities, KashKick offers reward-based tasks, and Swagbucks provides a wider variety of activities. The best platform is the one that fits the type of tasks you actually want to complete. Your next step is to create an account on the platform that matches your preferred earning style and compare your experience. If this comparison helped you choose between KashKick, Freecash and Swagbucks, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.